Ishumi nemfica selekushaya insimbi yesihlanu Shavisto buhle indihiza kanti ke sesivele sinadoti ngwenyana la studio siyanemukela uliqapho lesivele kwala FM siphinde futhi sinemukele ngemoto yeni lethi teamwork makes the dream work.
Dream team.
Dream team. All amaphosa ni right.
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiqala kunibona niperforma la e-rugby stadium be kunemicimbi nje lo mkhulu kakhulu yakhumbula. Yabo so ayina performa ngayibona iperformance yenu ngasho ngathi la kiwakhashana bantu labasha bajabula kakhulu nifikile phone phethe iswek different la khona. Ashaya iperformance le mnanzi kakhulu ningilabanye abantu labasha lengeke ngithi nikhonile penetrate nisuka khashane niqala nihaslisha kumadima kepha nikhonile kuvela nje navela ngestyle senu navela ngendlela yenu kulikhuni ngena kule market nende njani ngathi next ngidawuqala ngibute bani kinongela saso
Yes.
I penetration yenu kule market le la nikhona manje.
Bekukusebenza nje kakhulu. It's just putting in the hard work and making good quality music, you know, being persistent in what you do and believing in what you do. You make sure it happens, you know. That's why we're a firm believer of our dreams and we're firm believers of that our dreams never die. And together we did it as a team. That's why our motto is teamwork makes the dream work. There's many other people also involved in the team as Dream Team. We've got family members, we've got friends, you know. So all that has pushed us to this to get to where we are right now. Yeah.
So niqale njenge team la ni dancing kancane nahlanganisa nahlabela benga lena ngimixa ku dash asositshele ukuthi kahlehle la nikhona namuhla vele ngilabe nifuna kufinyelela khona noma mhlambe nifinyelele nje ngesiphosiso.
Sikhona nje endlini, you know, background family. It's always been entertainment, yabo kudlala music, kuyadanswa, nasesontweni shaya ama show, yabo nama play. And then saqala igroup Twitch Genesis eyaseThekwini. Then sathola WHP, sadansela WHP lokho simvulela sihamba naye around South Africa. Kanti Trevor has been working on the music wakhe, shaya ama beats yabo eThekwini. So he then decided to ask us to join the group, you know, Dream Team. So I from there, sarikota maculo sigangela nje kancane. Then it got to a space uthi eThekwini bese beyithanda, so we decided to go commercial and actually push it as a career, and you know, that's when everyone decided to commit to Dream Team.
Trey, this one is for you. Ni tibita ngani kahle okay manhamba sabab sin oh
No, everything, man. Yonke insipho iyageza phela South Africa. Akusikho noma sababusini South Africa. So noma ikephi, you know, samajita nje nathi, you know, so sikwazi ukurelate noma iyephi indawo. Sinayo lokushini si right lokushini masababusini siyakwazi futhi ukufisa. So we don't really have indawo la sithi sikhetha lishela khona yabo.
So singasho nje this music is suitable for the whole family.
Yeah. With parental advisory.
Oh, okay. PG ukhona.
Yes, PG is.
So kwento yini ukuthi niba strong anyana.
Exactly.
Ni kwento yini ukuthi nisebenzisa strong language. Nifuna ukusenda strong message.
Yeah. Look, pushing message is strong.
Welcome to Dream Team. Libya, why Dream Team?
The name Dream Team basically abantu abaningi bathatha mhlambe ukuthi siyachoma masithi Dream Team ngoba is blind or whatever, but it doesn't really necessarily come from that. I think 14 asikhethe lelo gama sasicabanga ukuthi vele, you know, sabangani, so we are a team, you know.
Yeah.
And yonke into esenza siyenza ndawonye, and kahle sinamaphupho khona nabanye abantu ke, you know, abangaculi, but we are also still part of team yethu, you know, and we just try to empower each other's dreams kwazi ukuthi sisizana ukuthi siqhubekele phambili, and that was just ukuhlanganisa lawo magama mabili team namaphupho ethu, then became Dream Team.
Okay.
Kodwa splending phela.
Ni 3 ma role ladlalwa ngomunye wenu kule group.
Njengoba wazi ukuthi in every team there's strengths and there's weaknesses, and into echaza ngale team yethu is that complementary, you know. Khona ama strengths now Trevor now la azi ukuthi assist my weaknesses, and khona ama strengths that I have that I assist ourselves, yabo. But Trevor mostly is known for production. He also does beats. He's been doing beats for you know, a couple of years, and with so dance, I'm aerobatics, you know, he can do backflips, whatever you want. He's very energetic, and you know, And then I also do design, I study design.
Okay.
So,
The swag man.
so we do design, everything's in-house. I bought from the beats, design, everything just
Smart. Kwasamthanda Ntombolo Sive Gola FM nawusanza kubele umsakazo sikhuluma Dream Team siyathi ukuthi nisukile ekhaya kwendeke inkinga kubafana beBig Nas mhlambe i-message kuloko kubaleke kakhulu siyathi ukuthi niyasebenzisana nabo.
Yeah, Sibale kakhulu ukuthi siba-mention we were supposed to be out here with them, but unfortunately the passing of Fuad happened and they had to stay home, and we just had to continue for them, as much as long as they back home, we're continuing for them until they come back to join us. And like a big shout out to everyone who supports Big Nas and everyone who's been tweeting and saying and sending their condolences on Twitter and Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for everyone's support. Like we need it right now, especially the Afrotainment family.
Trey, I was introduced ngoma yenu.
Dream Team, Talking Central.
So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up
Dream Team, sithi vum vum njengosimsima masiqeda ngithi uyazi diba
Amadenga bongo na let's go Masanda slali sidla intombi ubusha bethu Uphathi imali abona thoya iphupho lethu Umnandi life iyashelela everyday From a Durban ishaya around isijole shows Thatha bophela isifly nabo to Hawaii Shaya umoya for uqhomo nesibreeze Spetha bolo Dream Team ne Big Nas
Bisa my king nabo queen we in between heaven let me in Zranisi into classy in a base Hlaba bonke zonke ngiphume mla
Phakamisa izandla zakho lapho sikubone Cause we the rookies of the year spent everybody here with their hands in the air screaming take it in 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 Cause we the rookies of the year spent everybody here with their hands in the air screaming take it in
So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up and be it. So put your hands up and be it.
Thank
Keep on the air for the rookies of the year. You gotta keep on the air for the rookies of the year.
you.